TJ Barker. I'm the principal of Shoreline Junior High School. We're just opening up this year and we're super excited. So as far as staff members, we have 45 teachers, about 70 total staff members. We were projected to open with 1,020 students. We're sitting at 1,082 right now and we'll continue to grow. As far as the vision of Shoreline Junior High School, the first part of the school really is built upon the climate. So really we're trying to start a school where we have teachers that connect with students and excite them about learning.
The collaboration spaces within the classroom wings are really neat. I like the collaboration caves. One of the interesting things about building that is how our construction workers would gravitate to those spaces and how many meetings and just impromptu conversations we had. It's just a beautiful school and was an absolute pleasure to build.
Some of my favorite parts of the new school are definitely the library. It's so beautiful, it's so big, and I love all the different zones and how each one is a little bit different, either in color, how it's shaped. My favorite spot of the school is when you walk in and you see the amazing learning stairs. They're so beautiful and they're so cool, and I just love them.
So the entry to each of our zones, we have a specific texture and a specific color, and that's there for wayfinding and the ability for a student to find its place, but also the idea of identifying each zone. And we set the lights on the ceiling that bounce off the light so it really exaggerates it and really makes it glow. Another thing that's kind of unique about this site is that it doesn't have a lot of context around it. In other words, we built this building in an onion field. So our major context was the natural surroundings. So all of our exterior colors are really earth tones. And the cool thing about the copper that we used on the planes on the outside of the building is that it changes as the sun moves around. The building changes its shapes and tones and hues. And so it looks different every 30 seconds from the outside of the building. It's kind of exciting.
This facility is absolutely amazing. As we walk the halls, it just seems very organized with the colors in each kind of pod area is very helpful for the new kids. One thing I've been really impressed with is the principal and his communication with the parents and the students as they've been getting ready for the new school year. He went over to visit the elementary school, so Faith kind of already recognized his face, and then just a lot of emails as to where, how the school is progressing, and this is just fun, exciting, grateful for the teachers and for everything everybody does in behalf of our kids. We just really appreciate it.